morning. It is like stupid windy out here, but it's been like 14 hours since I put the tracks on the Jeep, and I just couldn't wait any longer, so we're taking it out to the snow. We don't have any recovery thing to do, but we're just gonna go head up that hill there for a little play day. So this isn't a recovery day, it's a for fun day. So we got me, we got Riley, we got my wife Karina, we got Austin, we got Michelle, and we're just gonna go out and see how it does. We're making Austin practice his cameraman skills. He needs a little tuning up on that. But we finally got some powder and no tracks in it, so we're gonna go cruise out for that a bit and see how it does. But we're finally at some good powder with no tracks, and it actually gets really, really smooth once you get in here, so it's actually really nice. Someone made a little shelter.
You need gas?
No gas, but they got a Tostitos can and got their little shelter next to the fire. I think this way gets us back out to the main road, so we'll head that way. Man, it is windy, but the Jeep is doing great. It actually steers, which is amazing. We're up here quite a ways up the mountain now. There's some, off over here a little farther, there's actually some good powder that hasn't been driven in yet, so we'll go cruise around there to see how it is. Earlier we got into some powder. This vibrates a lot on hard pack road. Get into powder, smooth as can be. So very happy with how it's all going. Right over here we found what should be a good little sledding hill for Riley, so we're gonna unload, get out the sleds, maybe see if the Jeep will climb this hill on the tracks and have some fun.
You did a jump. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Hey, look what Michelle did for you. Look what Michelle got for you.
Worked hard for you.
What do you say? What do you say to Michelle?
Yeah,
She.
A really good shot. All right, you ready? Say go.
Go.
Good one. Is she gonna make it or is she gonna crash? She's gonna make it?
Uh-huh.
You're super optimistic. Oh, right, they're going down doubles. This is the most anticlimactic sledding video I've ever seen.
Go.
I think that's the record.
1, 2, 3.
Say, Rise, Mama gonna do a good job or is Mama gonna crash?
I think she's gonna do a good job.
All right.
Come on, Mom. I hope you can do this.
What happened, Rye?
Nice and wet. I think I like you going.
Hey, Rye, Austin and Mama are gonna race. Who do you think's gonna win?
I think Mom.
You think Mama?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's watch.
2, 3.
Oh, Mama got the jump, pushing Austin into the tree. Oh, she's gonna crash.
Who do you think won?
Austin.
I fell.
Mama's got the style points, but Austin went for the distance. Okay, Riley wants to go from the top. Oh yeah, they could use some tension adjustment. I'm not sure exactly what they're supposed to tension to, so I haven't tensioned them. But clearly a little tighter than they are, because it was the back one slipping, not the front.
Yeah, front ones are fine.
Should I turn around and back up it and see how good that Dana 30 does?
You can try it.
I don't think I want to try it.
What's up, ladies?
How you doing? You want to ride? Not you guys in there. I'm talking about this chick right here. Oh, camera's in your face. There you go. All right, we are back down the mountain, back in the truck, got the Jeep loaded back on the trailer. Riley is about wore out. Riley, you tired? You want to do it again? That's what I thought. So we are going to head back home, and hopefully the phone rings again soon. We can head back out on some recoveries and really put this thing to work. But it passed all my tests pretty good. I think I got to adjust the tension on the track so the sprockets don't spin in them when I'm climbing up the side of volcanoes, or I could just not climb up the side of volcanoes. And other than that, I think I was pretty happy with it. We got some good sledding in. Jeep worked great. And but first, I got to thank the sponsor of today's video, because they really helped make all this happen. So love for you guys to go and support them. And that would be me, Cascade Heavy Rescue. We got all of our merchandise in the store. I think everything's in stock. We got hats, we got the sweaters. I finally got mine. Most of you guys got yours before I even got mine, because we're trying to get this out as quick as possible. Because all the proceeds of this, up until the end of the month, all go to, 100% of it, all go to help some friends of ours who lost their house in a house fire. So any support is greatly appreciated. Everything's going to help them out through this holiday season. And we just appreciate everything you guys doing for it. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.